Welcome to Dubai Trains. And one thing I struggle with when making these models with a lot of windows for my downtown urban Chicago area is window dressing. And I struggle with it so much, I could not find a good source, so I just decided to make my own. In this video, I'm just going to show you how I made them, and then also where you can get these in case you don't want to make them yourself. And then you can just print them out as much as you want and have a lifetime supply. It's for all scales, and it's going to work for you. So making them is really easy. You just take any software you're familiar with that you can make graphics with. This can be anything literally from Paint to Adobe Illustrator on the professional side. You can do it in Photoshop, you can do it in PowerPoint, you can do it in Word. And that's exactly how I made them. And the great thing is if you make them yourself, you can make them in different lengths, different colors if you want to, and you can put a lot of them on one sheet of paper. So this sheet right here has 60 roller blinds, and the other one has 60 horizontal lamelen. So that should be plenty some for any medium to big size building. And if you think this looks great, please like the video so other people can also find this. It's always a great help to the modeling community. And installing them is really easy. You just cut them all out more or less to the right shape. And then I just use a matte medium, so you just brush that onto the window pane that you have, and you stick on the window dressing, make sure it's a little bit level and in the right position, and then that's that. And if you want to now get your hands on your own lifetime supply of roller blinds or vertical lamelen, just check out my Patreon page, and under the second tier, the middle one, I will add these to that. And if you sign up, then you can just get the file that I made it in, or you can just print them out with the PNG to the right skill that you're modeling in. So thanks guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.